mahirap siya.
Palagi kong ginagamit ang AI. AI talaga ang kailangan.
No, I don't think so.
Sometimes nagigilty ako.
It makes me lazy and unproductive.
I don't think I can survive.
Aliyah Juan Pasino, 20 years old.
I'm Althea Baloha and I'm 19 years old.
Carizal Binatak and I'm 19 years old.
I'm Miguel Medrano and I'm 18 years old.
My name is Raya Yowen Daniel Ramos and I am 20 years old. How often do you use AI?
Mostly gumagamit ako ng AI kapag gumagawa ako ng mga tasks ko sa school, especially if kailangan ko talaga ng hindi naman yung pagkakopyahan, pero yung idea lang ba para magamit ko yun, tapos i-apply ko siya sa assignment or tasks ko.
Palagi kong ginagamit ang AI dahil sa phone pa lang, AI na yun. Hindi lang naman basta website ang AI. Lahat ng technology merong AI. Everyday, especially sa phone pa lang, sa Face ID, like bayad po sa GCash, and social media din especially.
I use it pretty often for educational purposes.
I use AI on my daily basis, lalo na pag kailangan ko ng mga ideas for my schoolworks.
Well, I use AI moderately to frequently.
Palagi po, most especially for educational purposes. Given that statement, why do you think you often use AI?
Siguro gumagamit ako ng AI kadalasan kasi minsan yung mga tasks ko kasi medyo mahirap siya, hindi siya na-explain ng maayos or walang instructions na masyado at saka wala akong makuhang reference or example, kaya gumagamit ako ng AI.
It's really helpful and convenient, especially nga sa sinabi ko, like GCash payments, sa mga transportation natin, and social media, like sa communication natin.
I use AI because it helps me in an academic setting and it reorganizes my thoughts.
For me, mas lalo kasi nag-enhance yung idea ko pag gumagamit ako ng AI.
I think I often use AI for educational and sometimes leisure purposes.
I often use AI because I think mas napapadali or mas napapaganda yung mga works ko. Do you think you can survive your course or this semester without technology?
No.
No, I don't think so.
No.
No, I don't think I can survive this semester or this course without technology kasi sa panahon ngayon, mas talagang ginagamit na natin yung technology or AI. Do you think AI will be beneficial in your future line of work?
So ang course ko po kasi ngayon is basic PR, so most probably magiging ang line of work ko is sa media, and I think na it will be beneficial sa magiging line of work ko kasi alam naman natin media, iba't ibang social media platforms yung kailangan kong i-tap into, kaya kailangan ko siguro ng magiging malaking tulong siguro yung AI sa mapipili kong trabaho.
Yes, especially kung gusto kong ituloy yung pagiging reporter. AI talaga ang kailangan natin and technology.
Well, I think it will since I perceive that my line of work will be more on media.
Yes, I think sa any line of work naman, beneficial talaga yung AI or technology. Since sabi ko nga, sa panahon ngayon, talagang yun na yung mas ginagamit ng mga tao since mas napapadali nito or mas na-maximize nito yung mga ideas ng mga tao. Do you think AI makes you lazy and unproductive during your schoolworks?
No, kasi at the end of the day, ako pa rin naman yung gumagawa or nagpa-polish yung nagawa kong assignment or homework. Ginagamit ko lang talaga yung AI purely for reference at para may example ako, para alam ko kung saan patungo or saan ako pupunta dun sa ginagawa kong tasks or output.
Kung during schoolworks, sometimes, pero sometimes it makes me more productive, especially when I gain some knowledge.
No, I believe it gives me the opposite effect.
No.
Do you feel any guilt whenever you use AI?
Minsan, minsan hindi.
No, I would not.
No, especially kung ginagamit mo siya for your good purpose naman. Hindi naman para sa cheating.
No, I don't feel any guilt when using AI kasi as I've said, na-maximize ko lang naman kung ano yung mga features ng AI and natutulungan din ako nito so I don't feel any guilt.
Aside from educational purposes, in what other ways is AI useful for you?
Other ways, ano ba? Sa pag-order ng food, sa leisure moment ko, yung paggamit ko ng Netflix, Spotify, yung mga iba't ibang social media platforms, nagiging beneficial or helpful sa akin yung AI sa pag-spend ko ng time na, alam mo yun, imbes na wala kang ginagawa, why don't you entertain yourself?
It helps me with the entertainment space because it does recommend personal preferences. So it's much better to select content according to your taste.
I think it's useful for me as someone na mahilig mag-online shopping since hindi ko na kailangan pumunta sa mga physical stores. So kahit nakahiga ako or kahit naliligo ako, kaya kong mag-scroll ng mga gusto kong i-add to cart. Thank you po.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay po, thank you.